let me clarify this to you. Why do you always think Lisa is the most beautiful girl that I've ever dated? You only knew me when I was dating Lisa. All along I've been dating, and for information, I can be with Lisa anytime I want to, and I was with her 2 days back. For your information, that's not for Instagram. So please,
why?
Liz,
No,
don't worry. They like me. Why ask them why they like me? They don't want to leave me alone because they know me in real life. When you hear speculation about my haters and how you see that, so please relax. You just only knew me now when I was in that girl. I've been dating for the time being.
How did you manage?
No, she came to. How do I manage? This is simple things. She came to my life, and then she said she loved me. She came to my life. She said she liked me, and then we exchanged numbers, and then we met up the following day. We had sex the same day. So that's it. That's how we managed to get one another.
So she was
Your problem with that? No, you're asking me how do I manage to get here? She came to my life. Listen, she came to my life. All the girls that you think I've dated, I found them in my Instagram. I didn't find them anywhere. And they like the way I am. So that's it.
Well, I want to know what is it about you?
No, they like. That's what they like. You asked me about that girl. I told you she came to my life. In the presence of everyone, she was in my life, and we love one another. That's it.
Oh, sure.
Shokai, I'm telling you, almost everyone was watching. Go 3 2020, 3 April 2020. She was live. I was live. We met through live video. I saw what I like. That's how we go to that. So problem when your mentality is not there, maybe. What? Even if they do that, it doesn't matter as long as I'm with her. If it's what you think, I told you how. So if you think that's what happened, well, it's still okay with me. They want money. Some they say they want money, but I don't have money. And like that, they want money. What are you guys saying about that? Which money is that? When I woke up, I don't even, unless I love Acha, unless somebody Acha. No, what one problem? My perfumes, what I hear that you have, they are very expensive, my sister. They can even buy your whole you and your whole entire family, my sister. I roll with serious people. There's nothing that you can tell me about because even the thing that I have, you can't even afford that. The only thing that you can. No, I didn't say you, but no, listen, don't come and tell us, don't come and tell us about money, eh? Don't come and tell us about money. Don't come and tell us about shit here. Fuck off. When I want you sharp. No, we're not whining. No, fuck you. If you ever come to my live and come and tell me what you hear about me, that's bullshit. Yeah, but yeah, fuck you then. Sis. Yeah, I'm not telling you. Probably I'm tired of you shit. You always talk shit nonsense. Not everything about you is a problem. Like you have a problem with everything. Other day you were watching my things, you have a problem with the car that I was at. Hey, ice boy. Hey, blah blah blah. What's your issue? You say that. You say that. Why are you bothered about? Why are you bothered about even people that I know? Can I ask why you bothered about people that I know? Because those people why you bothered about that? Those cars are not even yours. Why are you bothered about that? Because those people. Whenever you have a problem with that, you have a problem with those people. Yes. No, why do you have a problem with these people and everyone that look, I just woke up today, listen for information, listen, in the morning, I got alcohol allowance. You gotta go ranting about it, it's fine, it's up to you, who cares? When you can go sell your pussy or sell your shit, nothing is gonna get like me. You'll never be like mine.
I don't sell pussy.
Yeah, it's fine. Fuck you then. Yeah, I'm telling you, fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, I'm telling you, fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, it's fine. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. It's fine. It's fine. Fuck you. Yeah, what's fine? Fuck you. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, mom, I don't buy like you. Since you sell when I go sell your pussy, who cares about that? Sis, when an embarrassment to women, yes, you are such an embarrassment to ladies. I'm telling you, your parents, they are very, very back off. No, if you ever gonna come and talk this shit about things that doesn't continue in your life, you rather go. Don't mess up with me now.
Listen.
I was talking to you here nicely, I was talking to you nicely in the morning.
Where?
You just feel like it's fun all the time fighting with me, ne? All the time, I was talking to you nicely in peace, not fighting with you. You just want to come and mess up my day every day. Okay,
no,
my friend, okay, that company is waiting for us. Okay. Hey, you see? No, I have 80 minutes to be leaving. My friend, okay. I just did. You see? You just came here to work to mess up my day. I was talking to you nicely. Please, let me tell you something.
You're the one who's always insulting me. I was nice to you.
Okay, yeah, fuck. I'm tired of insulting you. Can you not insulting me? Can we stop insulting one another?
I'm not insulting you.
I'm tired.
Like, you started it. How?
Yeah, it's fine. Hey, okay, good night. Have a good morning. I need to get ready. I'm going far. I have a long day.
But when I went up you need to tell me why you always fight with me on a live video. I don't know what I'm thinking going.
But on the phone, we talk nicely. On WhatsApp, nicely. We don't fight. You smile. I don't like fighting with you. So I want to keep the same energy you give me on WhatsApp. Ha.
I do keep the same energy. But you always come for me.
Okay, I'm sorry, my love. Then, kiss.
What the hell? I came here like happy that you are happy. I was like, why are you so happy today?
Okay. I'm going very far, please. Please, guys. I don't have all day long here on Instagram. Please, I'm going far, please. I'm going to miss my time.
And then you keep no more. When
Another day I'm going to smash you, you'll respect me. Don't worry. Go quickly right now. The country is waiting for me. My cabinet is waiting for me. We have some things to do today.
Okay, sharp. Have a good day, Nick.
Sharp. Okay.
Yes, guys.
Okay, guys. Okay, I have to go right now. Ne? We have a very long day to do right now. That was just for fun. Okay, guys.